you've been working with UE Systems now for, it sounds like, about 8 years. I'm sure you've seen hundreds, maybe even thousands of different customers use your guys' systems. Can you tell us any success stories that you've had with using continuous monitoring, condition monitoring, and in maybe even more specifically, ultrasound?
Yeah, so I mean, yeah, exactly. We love hearing from our customers and getting those case studies, and that's one of the reasons why we have our conference every May, because we do bring customers in and they share their success stories, and it's really great to hear. With leak detection, that's always one of the biggest ones, is just the cost savings that folks are able to do. That compressed air is not free. People love to think it's just that it is, and yet it is one of our most expensive utilities. So being able to find those leaks, fix them, and know those cost savings is huge. We've got a presentation that's going to be at the conference this May, where in 1 year they found $1 million worth of savings by utilizing the ultrasound on their for leak detection. So that's huge. And what we love even more, as I mentioned a little bit earlier, is being able to start with something like leak detection, and now you've got that $1 million in cost savings, and now what else can you go tackle? What other technologies, now maybe you can buy that infrared camera, or you can set up that vibration route, or continue to use ultrasound on other applications. So we hear a lot of success like that, again, with the lubrication and folks being able to understand where those bearings are and when they need lubrication, and getting it done correctly, and just avoiding that unnecessary downtime and expensive repairs. We hear that daily. So it's a really quick win type instrument, or technology rather. Get on board.